So we start out today's video with this big chop transformation. And she has got some gorgeous, thick, wavy hair. The stylist cuts the hair into a beautiful mid-length bob haircut. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So if you guys are looking for brand new hairstyles, something new to do with your hair, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone who wants to go copper. Stylist has a consultation making sure that he's able to achieve the look that she desires. Looks like she wants to do some layers as well. Ooh, so she did end up getting some hair extensions, beautiful curtain style bangs, and the color, of course, looks amazing. Wow, beautiful transformation. So then we move on to transformation number 3. Looks like she also wants to join in on that orange copper color trend. Also mixing in those curtain bangs. Oh, absolutely stunning. I love the color and the cut combination. So then we move on to the next transformation. So I think for this one, she wants to get some layers. Beautiful. She got the butterfly cut with the curtain bangs. Her hair looks amazing. Volume for days. So it looks like we have another chop for the last transformation. Oh, and her daughter gets the haircut as well. Very nice. Oh, that is just absolutely adorable. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hair transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.